In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to shuffle questions in Google Forms so that each user sees the questions in a different order. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Forms tips. First, open your Google Form and click on the Settings tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the Presentation section. Here, you'll see an option called Shuffle Question Order. Simply toggle this button on, and now every time someone fills out your form, the questions will appear in a randomized order. Keep in mind, this feature shuffles all questions across the form, not just within one section. So if you want certain questions to stay in order, like names, emails, or other required details, it's best to place them in a separate section before enabling shuffle. And that's it. Your Google form will now display questions in a random order for every respondent. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Forms guides.